Welcome to The Explainer. We're diving right into the blueprint for life, the human reproductive system.
You know, it's the one system not for individual survival, but for the survival of our species.
So we'll look at the male and female systems, the menstrual cycle, and some common challenges.
Okay, first up, the male reproductive system. Its main job, producing and transporting sperm.
So here's the overall layout. Now let's see how all these parts work together. It's pretty cool.
These are the system's powerhouses. They're busy making both sperm and the hormone testosterone.
And its whole job is pretty simple. Keep the testes just a bit cooler than the body.
Think of this as the pathway. It's where sperm mature before they're transported out.
These glands make most of the fluid in semen. It's what protects and nourishes the sperm.
All right, let's move on to the female system, which produces eggs and can nurture new life.
Here's a look at the core structures. Let's dig into what each part is responsible for.
The ovaries are incredible. They hold all the eggs a person is born with, which is just, wow.
This is the path the egg takes, and it's typically where fertilization actually happens.
And the uterus? It's a powerful organ that expands to house a fetus during pregnancy.
So the cervix is the gateway from the uterus, which then leads to the vagina.
Okay, on to the menstrual cycle. This is the body's monthly preparation for a potential pregnancy.
It's really a dynamic process, with the uterus and ovaries changing throughout the month.
The cycle is broken into 4 distinct phases, and each one is regulated by different hormones.
But, these complex systems can sometimes face challenges that affect a person's health.
And it's really important to know that some issues like infertility and STIs can affect both systems.
For the male system, problems can include issues with erections or conditions affecting the prostate gland.
And in the female system, disorders often mean things like hormonal imbalances or abnormal growths.
When you think about it, from just a few cells to a whole system, it's pretty remarkable.